Okay, so you may remember that at the beginning of the course we talked about some duplicated code that we would eventually move to components. One of those pieces of code is the loading indicator, and the other piece of code is actually the rendering of the video elements or the video cards when we are showing the video list in the videos page and in the results of the search page. The first thing we are going to do is moving the loading indicator to a component. So basically the first thing you need to do is you create a folder, or you can put it in share, whatever you want, and inside that you are going to have a razor component. We are going to name it loading indicator, which is this at the moment and has nothing more than that. Then in the search we are going to get this code from the HTML, which is actually the indicator code. And then what we are going to do is we are going to use the loading indicator in there like that. So we are doing this in the search. We compile, we verify that everything is working okay. And then you can just move this to the other file. In this case, this is the videos, and to copy there. But we may want just to do that shorter, so we only use the name of the component, taking advantage of the using statement. So now we can go to the videos, the videos page, we add the using, and we replace this. We say loading indicator. We compile the application again, verify that everything is ready, and our loading indicator should be working just fine. Okay, so that's okay. Now one of the things we are going to do is I am going to create video card component, and the video card is going to have this, and we are going to set the link too. So let's see. Then since we've moved this to a code, we actually may want to have in here public string. Actually we want to have a couple of things. Link URL, yeah, public string, link URL or link or however we want to name it. Then we are going to set video name. This is going to be a parameter. This is also going to be a parameter. Okay, public string. we are going to have the thumbnail source, which is also going to be a parameter. Then we are going to have also another parameter, which is going to be another string, video description. Okay, now we can replace this. This is going to be the link URL. Okay, this is going to be video name. This is going to be the thumbnail source. And this is going to be, is the code in there? This is going to be the video description. And let's see. Yeah, now all that is okay. And what we are going to do now is in the videos Blazor, what we are going to do is now we are going to say video card. Link URL is going to be this. Okay. Thumbnail source is going to be this. Okay. Video description is going to be video info.description, and the video name is going to be video info.name. And now we can remove this link. And we can copy this in our search. And let's compile this again, and everything should be working just the same. That's because we use the same name for the variable in the iteration, and even this logic could actually go to a component if we want to. Actually, all of this logic, this and the one for retrieving the thumbnails. But for now, we are actually just going to leave it like that. So let's just run the application, verify that it's still compiling okay, working okay. So there is the indicator. We know that it's working and it's now using a shared component. And now we should see the list of videos that are currently indexed once this finishes loading all of the data. So we see all of the videos in there, okay, and if we click them it should take us to the widgets, and we are able to see both of the widgets, and the search should be working just the same. We see the indicator in there, and then we see the videos, and if we click them we go and see the actual widgets again, and those cards that we are seeing from the that we are seeing in the results for in the video list and in the search results, those are coming from a shared component which is named video card. So that's one of the ways how to use components to simplify your code. So we already have both two components, one for the loading indicator and one for the videos cards. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much for being watching the course. Remember, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when there are new videos uploaded to the channel. Remember to share the videos, like them, and let us know things you would like to learn more about Blazor, .NET Core, Azure, and Unity 3D. Thank you very much and have a great day.